Marshea Mayfield, the CEO and owner of Financial Services Plus. I'm so excited and cannot wait to share with you a program that I have put together to support six-figure earners just like yourself. This came from much experience, much knowledge of working with stylists across the world, helping them to make and maintain multiple six figures. So the name of the program is entitled Reward, right? I'm going to share with you how you can reward yourself or pay yourself a reasonable salary over the next 60 days. So we broke it down for you just like this. The R stands for recognize. You want to recognize your target goals and be consistent. Identify your business income on a monthly basis and make sure that you are able to acquire your targets consistently. That is the R in reward. E is expense. Prepare a detailed list of all your business and personal expenses. The W is what percentage do you think is needed per category? Determine them very carefully and by priority. Very important. The A is for allocate. We're going to teach you how to allocate funds to different accounts such as your operating account, your payroll account, your tax account, and of course your savings account. Those are the things that we teach you in the reward program. And the R again is routine. Create a routine processing the payment either weekly or bi-weekly, whichever you prefer that is applicable for your business. And the D in reward is deliver. Deliver results and do it again and again. If you're interested and would love to join our program, the CEO Accelerated Program, definitely just click the link above or click it below, and we will definitely get you started. Again, this is Marshea Mayfield, and I help stylists make and maintain multiple six figures, and I'm ready to support you.